Hello everyone. We all know that how communication plays a vital role in present day-to-day life. If you're one such person who want to get a higher promotion in your job, or if you're the one person who wants to get a job in a corporate companies, or if you're one such person who wants to do your business with a huge profits, it is very much important that you need to become perfect at these communication skills. So ladies and gentlemen, in this particular video, I am going to talk about what are the mediums that are using when we are doing communicating with the other individuals or the groups or the community. In the previous video, I discussed about verbal communication. In this particular video, I am going to talk about non-verbal communication. What exactly the non-verbal communication and how it plays a vital role in this communication that I'm going to discuss briefly in this particular video. This is the first time that you're watching my channel. Please do subscribe by pressing the bell icon so that you will be getting all the latest videos related to the communication skills and public speaking skills. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Coming back to our topic, non-verbal communication. What exactly the non-verbal communication and how we can communicate with other people by using this non-verbal communication? As we all know that verbal communication is all about the words that we are using in communication. That is called exactly the verbal communication. That means whenever you want to share your ideas and thoughts, while you are communicating with other people or the other individuals or the communities, that is what exactly called verbal communication, right? That means what are the words that you are using, what are the communication that you are doing by using the words, that is called exactly verbal communication. Whereas on the other hand, what exactly this non-verbal communication means, it's all about how is your body language, how is your gestures, how is your posture, how is your eye contact. All this comes into matter in this non-verbal communication. If you're one such person who wants to become effective at this non-verbal communication, you need to put focus on these parameters. How is your body language? How is your eye contact? How is your postures? How is your gestures? Gestures means your hand movements. How are they? How is your appearance? Everything will be taken into consideration in this non-verbal communication. We all know that there is one principle which states that about this non-verbal communication, that is 7 to 38 to 55% rule. What exactly this 7, 38, 55% rule means? Whatever that we are communicating with the other people or the other individuals or the communities, that is what whenever we are communicating with other people, it all about that we are using only 7% in the form of words. That means you are communicating with other individuals with the words only 7%. The remaining 38%, what exactly is your voice quality, your voice modulation. That is what exactly this 38% is contributing in your communication. That means where you have to increase your pitch and where you have to decrease your pitch, and how is your voice and how is your modulation, articulation, everything that comes under this 38% rule. The remaining 55% is exactly about your body language. Ladies and gentlemen, just imagine, out of 100, 50% contribution comes from body language. So it's always been important that you should put your focus on body language. Whatever the words that you are using, that must be matching with the words what you are using. That means your words must be matching with your body language, right? If there is any difference between the words and the body language, whatever that you are showing to the people, if there is any differences with these two, there will be somewhat a miscommunication happen among the audience. So it's always been important that your words should match with your body language. So always put focus on this body language whenever you're communicating with other individuals or the groups or the communities. So you should always put your focus on this body language. How is your gestures will be, how your posture, how your appearance, how is your eye contact. Because you should put your focus on each and every person who are there in the audience. If there is a group, then you have to put focus on each and every person. If you are communicating with one individual, you have to put your entire focus on that particular person. Then only we can say that communication can become effective, right? So if you want to become effective at this communication, you have to put focus on these things, right? This is what exactly all about non-verbal communication. Your body language, your postures, your gestures, your eye contact, and your appearance. Everything will comes into this non-verbal communication. So always put focus on these things and try to become effective at the non-verbal communication part. This is what exactly I want to talk about, this non-verbal communication. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to start your English speaking journey, or you want to start your communication skills journey, it's recommended that I have given one mail ID in my description. Please go and do your views and do your perspective on this content, and you can contact to that mail ID so that my team will contact you back and will support you to start your English speaking journey. Thank you for watching this video.